Out here at the Fox Raceway, just finished up a week of racing at the California Classic, working with a bunch of different motocross riders. And across all the riders I worked with this week on their nutrition, there's always seems to be one problem in common. By the afternoon, you struggle with focus, you struggle with energy, you're sluggish on the bike, and you're typically exhausted by 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon for those afternoon motos. This is a common problem amongst motocrossers, and here's why. So, number one, most riders struggle to eat breakfast in the mornings, or if they do, they eat a little bit of food and their energy levels are okay then because of the night before. But then as practice goes on and their first motos go on, lunch comes, and most riders, again, they struggle to eat because with the anxiety, the excitement, the energy levels, all of those things, it kind of suppresses the appetite. The work on the bike suppresses the appetite. You might eat a few bites here or a piece of fruit there, and you think it's good enough, and then around 2 or 3 o'clock comes and you struggle. It's sluggish, lack of focus, you're on the gate, just feeling drained, you're slow on the bike. Doesn't work that well. And this is what we've experienced across all ranges of all levels of motocross athletes. It's a standard thing, even with our pro guys out at the pro motocross races. The nutrition is key. So here's how we help fix our athletes, both amateur and professionals, to fix this. So number one, we give them what we call hydration sauce in the morning. Hydration sauce is designed to get the glycogen levels back in your body and upregulate your energy. So we have them take 1 serving of that with breakfast, and then 30 to 60 minutes before they go racing, before the morning motos, we give them what we call energy sauce. This is a combination of an energy blend and a 12 amino acids is what it is. So 12 amino acids in an energy blend. This gives them the intensity, the focus, the motivation to come out of the gate and feel good, whether it's a 10-minute moto, a 20-minute moto, or even a 30+2. And then around lunchtime, we replenish them again with hydration sauce. This is gonna get the glycogen and the amino acids back into the muscles so you feel good, you feel energized. And even if you struggle with eating, hydration sauce can help you out because the way we designed it to help get the glycogen back in your muscles. The glycogen is what actually gives your body energy. It's what your body uses for energy. So if you really struggle to eat, for our riders, we pair hydration sauce and carb sauce. And then again, that's around lunchtime. And then for the second half of the day, 30 to 60 minutes before you go racing, we give you another serving of energy sauce. This is our energy blend with 12 amino acids. This is gonna give you the intensity, the focus, and the motivation to put the work in on the bike and have a successful race day. And then to close the day off, we do a serving of carb sauce and a serving of one of our proteins, either plant protein sauce or whey awesome sauce. That's gonna get your body the recovery it needs so you feel good the next day. So if you struggle with focus, you struggle with energy levels, you struggle to eat on days, and you recover slowly, like you wake up the next day and you're like, oh, I'm sore, and you feel like you can't ride again, follow this program, all right? Go to cellsauce.com/moto-kit, M-O-T-O kit, and check it out. And we have you set up with energy sauce, hydration sauce, carb sauce, and a protein sauce. Use these 4 things just like we tell you to do when you jump into this program, and you'll know how it feels to perform optimally just like our high-level amateur racers and just like our pro riders. So hope this helps. We'll see you over there. Again, head over to cellsauce.com/moto-kit or click somewhere here and feel what it feels like to have ultimate energy when it comes to days on the bike. You know, whether you're racing or training, this will help you. Again, go to cellsauce.com/moto-kit. See you over there.